Hello, everybody. My name is Uzair, and thanks for being with me today, either live or watching this recording. If you set up a campaign like this, I can guarantee you that you are going to get the best quality score, and your click-through rates are going to improve. Your CPC is going to go down. Your ads are going to look really good in comparison to your competitors. Now you see how many of these wedding photo shoot has popped up in here. Wedding photo shoot. Now when I create an ad for photo shoot, it is super relevant. Pre-wedding drone, that's a new one I've seen. Let's try drone wedding. Okay, drone wedding photography. Now we've got this in both of these ad groups. They may compete against each other. So what I will do is I'll go through this list and see if there is an overlap. Then I will delete it from either from here or from there. In this instance, the drone wedding should stay with the drone wedding and not in the wedding cost. So I would potentially take this one out from here. Okay, let's try something else. Natural wedding, Scottish packages is good. So you want to go after the low-hanging fruit. When somebody is looking for cost, packages, pricing, they are really deep down the funnel. And now I've got some really good long tail keywords, and that is also another thing you need to look at, is go after 3 or more words and you will find your campaigns are going to perform really well. Now you can see how many ad groups I have created in a matter of minutes. Now obviously right now I am demonstrating it, but usually in a matter of minutes I just have a look at this list, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ad groups so far. Oh, more than that.